speechless, which is kind of a problem right now because I'm supposed to say something. Give me a sec.
Fucking love the shit out of you.
Okay. I've been through a lot of ups and downs. I've had really good times, I've had really bad times, and successful times. And for some odd reason, I always kind of felt alone, no matter what was happening. And people were like, hey, are you okay? You should be happy right now. And I was like, damn, I should be happy. Maybe I'm broken. Maybe something's wrong with me. Like, how do I be happy? That was me for a long time. I tried everything. Tried to get fucked up, numb out, love, relationships, validation, wanting approval from people. It works for like a second, but still felt empty at the end of the day. And I got some advice. And it's like, hey, why don't you love yourself first? If you could have some self-love, everything will unfold. There was a big problem with that. I didn't know what that meant. I didn't know how to do that. I was like, I'm not lovable, so how do I love myself? I mean, I've made mistakes. I've acted shitty in the past. I wasn't, you know, a pure enlightened. I don't even know what enlightenment is, you know? I really don't. But that person said, well, if you want to find self-love, you have to heal. So I started a healing journey. I started healing things from my past. I started healing the negative self-talk. I found some compassion. I looked in the mirror at myself and I said, hey, I love you. You're not perfect, but I still love you.
Love you.
And when you go home, I want you to look in the mirror. I want you to look in your eyes. Really look at yourself and say, I fucking love you.
Do it! That
journey of healing led me right here in this very spot. When I wrote Wild Orchids, the song I just played you, and that drop that goes, that drop is me screaming all the purging. And this song right here is called High Vibrations, and this is my diary. This is all the chapters that I went through. These are all the places that I explored. And my message to you right now is this. If you're waiting for someone to show up and make your life better, that person is always going to be you. You gotta find that high vibration. And you gotta stay on it.